Grappling is one of the most important parts of MMA. Some of the most dominant fighters in UFC history have been grapplers, and if done right, grappling can be very exciting to watch. इस वीडियो में I will be ranking the top 5 best grapplers in MMA. इसमें I will rate the fighters' wrestling or their ability to take their opponents down and defend takedowns, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, which is their ability to control or submit their opponent, and finally their ground and pound, which is the ability to land strikes and cause damage on the ground. At number 5, we have Merab Dvalishvili. Merab Dvalishvili is the current bantamweight champion and he looks completely unstoppable. His cardio is absolutely inhuman and it is easily the best in UFC history. Against Peter Yan, he shot almost 50 takedowns and threw 500 strikes across 5 rounds, which is insane. उनकी रेसलिंग काफी अच्छी है and he isn't necessarily concerned with holding his opponents down. Even if his opponent gets back up from being taken down, Merab just shoots on them again and nobody can keep up with his pace. Umar Nurmagomedov काफी अच्छा कर रहे थे in their fight and he was clearly the more skilled fighter, but it didn't even matter. By the second round, Umar was dead tired and Merab was just getting started. In that fight, he set the record for the most takedowns scored in UFC history and he did it against someone that had never been taken down before. उसके अलावा he has even outwrestled an Olympic gold medalist in Henry Cejudo and he made it look easy. Till his last fight उनकी finishing ability उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, but उन्होंने अब अपने submission game में भी बहुत अच्छे improvements दिखाए हैं as he submitted Sean O'Malley in the third round. The one critique I have is his ground and pound. वो अपने opponents को जब take down कर लेते हैं, he doesn't have the best ability to cause damage and the one time he did finish someone on the ground, it was because he was too tired to get back up. इसलिए I'll give his wrestling a 10 on 10, his BJJ a 7 on 10 and his ground and pound a 6 on 10. At number 4, we have the flyweight champion Alexandre Pantoja. Alexandre Pantoja के पूरे गेम का बेस्ट एस्पेक्ट उनके बैक टेक्स है. He is insanely good at just jumping on his opponent's back and securing a body triangle. Even from very awkward positions, he can scramble and acquire a dominant position on his opponent. Once he gets to his opponent's back, it is almost impossible to get him off because of how big and strong he is for the division, and he is very good at submitting his opponents once he gets here. At the beginning of his title reign, वो बहुत recklessly अपने opponents को take down करने की कोशिश करते थे and he used to absorb a lot of strikes in the process. This worked pretty well because उनकी chin बहुत अच्छी है, but in his recent fights, वो बहुत creative takedowns और sweeps use करते हैं to get his opponents on the mat. His ground and pound isn't the best, but it gets the job done. I'll give his wrestling an 8 on 10, his BJJ a 9 on 10, and his ground and pound a 7 on 10. At number 3, we have Charles Oliveira. Charles Oliveira has the most submission wins in UFC history, which in my opinion makes him the best jiu-jitsu practitioner in MMA. वो ग्राउंड में हर पोजीशन से बहुत डेंजरस है. Generally, fighters try to avoid being on bottom position because it is considered as a losing position in MMA, but Charles is very comfortable here. A lot of times he won't even try to defend takedowns or when he gets knocked down, he just chooses to stay down. वो यहाँ से constantly submissions के साथ attack करते हैं and he is very good at reversing the position. उसके अलावा he has shown a lot of improvements in his offensive wrestling. He took down Michael Chandler easily, who is a Division 1 wrestling champion, and he completely dominated him on the ground. The one problem he does have is his takedown defense. Whenever he goes up against a good wrestler with good submission defense, वो उतना अच्छे से perform नहीं कर पाते हैं. इसलिए I'll give his wrestling an 8 on 10, his BJJ a 10 on 10 and his ground and pound a 7 on 10. At number 2, we have Islam Makhachev. Islam Makhachev is one of the most skilled fighters of all time, and although he has developed very good striking as time has went on, his grappling is the best aspect of his game. इस्लाम का बेस कॉम्बैट साम्बो में है which combines techniques from wrestling, jiu-jitsu and judo, making him a very well-rounded grappler. Even though his wrestling is amazing, I think his clinch grappling is even better as उनके judo throws और trips बहुत अच्छे हैं. इस sequence में we can see that Islam is in the clinch with Arman and he throws a knee. Arman then tries to throw a knee of his own, but इस वजह से उनका पूरा weight एक पैर पे आ जाता है and then Islam trips it perfectly to land and mount. Once he takes his opponent down, he is very good at maintaining a dominant position and looking for submissions. He has one of the best dart strokes in MMA. इस sequence में we can see that Islam takes down Moicano and Moicano tries to get on his knees to get back up, which is known as a turtle position. But as soon as he does this, Islam immediately secures a dart choke and submits him within seconds. उसके अलावा उनका ground and pound भी काफी अच्छा है as he finished Bobby Green in one round. On top of all of these amazing skills, he is very big and physically strong. I'll give his wrestling, BJJ and ground and pound a 9 out of 10 each. Finally, at number 1, we have Khamzat Chimaev. Khamzat Chimaev is not just the best grappler in MMA right now, but he might even be the best grappler in MMA history. His wrestling is absolutely unstoppable. वो एक स्वीडिश नेशनल चैंपियन है रेसलिंग में एंड nobody has been able to defend his takedowns till now. In every single one of his fights, he has been able to take down his opponents in the first few minutes or even seconds of the first round. उनके डबल लेग टेकडॉन्स बहुत फास्ट है which allows him to shoot them from a mile away and his opponents aren't able to see it coming. If he can't double leg his opponent, he switches to a single leg and tries to trip the other leg. Once he takes his opponents down, he is very good at taking his opponents back and यहाँ से वो constantly strikes और submissions attempt करते रहते हैं. Another position that he is very good at securing is the crucifix and this position is very difficult to escape as यहाँ से आपके दोनों arms trapped होते हैं. Before his last fight he had a bit of a pacing issue. वो fight के starting से ही एक बहुत intense pace से लड़ते थे and he would end up getting tired, but in his last fight उन्होंने ये problem सुधार ली. He fought at a more sustainable pace and उन्होंने fight को finish करने की उतनी कोशिश नहीं करी, but he maintained a dominant position for all 5 rounds. Now this isn't the most exciting style to watch, but it is practically impossible to stop. I don't think Khamzat के division में कोई भी है जो उनकी grappling को रोक सकता है and the only way he would lose is if he gets caught and knocked out. इसलिए I'll give his wrestling a 10 on 10, his BJJ a 10 on 10 and his ground and pound a 9 on 10. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना मत भूलना एंड लेट मी नो इफ यू अग्री और डिसएग्री विथ माई टेक्स इन द कमेंट्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.